Well, I've heard so many good things about the JOYMOOP, I decided I would check one out, and that's what it looks like when you get it in the box. Let's open it up. What I like about it, from what people have said, is just how compact it is and how efficient it is. So it's essentially the size of this box. There's a handle to pull it up out of there. It says JOYMOOP on the side. It is neat to see a mop bucket that's vertical instead of horizontal. And I'm going to have to move here so I can see how to get in here. So it looks like there's a bunch of stuff underneath of this. So there's the lock, and that opened it up. Okay. So there's the top. It's a little unique. I'm not used to that. Definitely smaller than I'm used to. And then here we've got the components of the handle and the mop part and a pad. Looks like the pad's just Velcro on here. And some other stuff. Looks like there's the mop handle just screws together. I'll just put a couple of them together here to get started. Might need a specific one down here. I see. So this one has a release thing, so once you get the mop handles together, the mop end can go on, and then it wants to spring into position here to stay open or closed or whatever this position is. Grab the mop head out of here. Comes with 3. And you put this on. You put this slot on this end, it looks like. There's a pocket here. And you put these into here. Pretty easy. And then the Velcro goes on. There's a direction to this, I guess. Alright, so then I see. This cam's on here onto the handle. So we put that on, drop it in, lock it in, and it looks like you're supposed to push this in this way for washing the mop. And then you put it in over here to dry the mop. Interesting. Okay. Okay, so that's pretty neat. Obviously it's all nice and clean here. It'd be interesting to see how well it works over time. But it is a very effective and efficient, kind of a squeegee as you push it through here. So that's a quick overview of the JOYMOOP and how it goes together and how it works. My first impressions are that it's a vertical mop bucket. Really impressed by that. None of this spinning or worrying about any kind of mechanisms. All of it is contained in this top. So now it's just a matter of using it and seeing how it does over time. Hope this helps.